Hello and welcome. Today I will demonstrate for you how to use the Xguitar X9 guitar tuner. Now it's a very easy function. I usually have this with my pedal board, but I took it off so I can show you exactly how it works. And I have it connected via power source right here. Okay, just to demonstrate for you that it's on right there, and then we're going to connect it. So how do we connect it? See, we just got the arrow right there. We're going to connect your guitar right into here. Okay, then you're going to start tuning. So we want to tune the guitar to E. So I'm going to demonstrate and set up the second angle for you right now. These markings up here is for the flat and then the sharp. So we want to get it right in the middle, and then you'll see that it's going to light up. Okay, so let's tune this to E. So you see how the red is significant to where you want to go. So you want to start tuning it up. And see how it starts to change. So we want E. So that's E. That's E flat represented by the flat there, but we want E. You keep going up, and there's E right there. So you see the green light right in the middle. That's E. So that means it's tuned and you're ready to go. Now to find your other note, you want to go to 5th fret right there. So that's an A, and you can see it's represented A. So let's tune the next string, which is supposed to be A. So it's not. Let's bring it up. And you're gonna keep tuning. You're gonna keep turning it. Okay. See, as it goes up. Now it's green. That means you're tuned to A. So now we're good. That's E. That's A, and then you just keep doing that until your whole guitar is tuned. It's really that simple. It's that easy. There it is. Xguitar X9. Hope you found this useful. See you on the next one. Bye.